Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out with levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from, and both still totally pertain to the chart, although for the time being, I'm just going to get rid of that line. Sure, it still pertains to the chart, just not necessarily relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion by having lines all over the place, so just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. Now, the first level that I want to talk about is not really an update, but probably more so proper word would be confirmation, and that's this red line here at $1.43. And on Friday, I talked about that being a level of resistance, and you can see that's exactly how things have played out. It hasn't been exactly clean. Sure, the price has gotten up above it a couple times, but the price has never been able to actually stay up above it, and that's the sign of a true break. A true break having two parts. Well, the first part, the obvious one, well, yeah, price has to break above a certain level. But then the second part is, can the price actually stay above it? And that's where we have lots of examples right here. Sure, the price was able to break above $1.43, but never able to quite stay above it. So therefore, $1.33 remains that key level of resistance going forward. As far as levels of support are concerned, just keep an eye, assuming you care about more so the bigger picture of things, on that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, that's what's being represented. As far as, let me just take a look back here. And we'll just focus on that right now at $1.43. And again, stay above that purple line, and that's really the most straightforward way to measure things out as far as an overall health perspective. So nice way to start off the week. Sure, $1.43 is being kind of annoying, but the price is building higher bases, and that's what it's all about from the big picture of it, things. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.